Mi salon famulem unado this Alpha Saidu Bangoa they bring to una another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word today Tuesday June 30 2020. In this edition I dey respond directly to Alfred Palo Conte in Gal Pikin. We make a video message Usai he talk thing that we not correct, thing them we in subconscious mind reveal to them just because inner Alfred Palo Conte in Pekin where they enjoy for mislead people them. Fellow Cylonians, President Julius Maada Bio not to incur Alfred Palo Conte and two others go court for treason. The Sierra People's Party, the SLPP, not to then care Alfred Palo Conte and two others go court for treason. Alfred Palo Conte and two others were taken to court by the people of Sierra Leone as prescribed for by the laws of Sierra Leone. Your law the within the country. And from where the case begin to now, all waiting to happen at the court. Now, the people of Sierra Leone, they pay for them. Then 12 people them, where now then they help the judge for look into this case. Where then they call the jury. Now, appoints them. Now, they pay them as prescribed for by own laws, the laws of Sierra Leone. Not to President Julius Maada Bio, neither not to the SLPP. I want let Palo Conte in Gal Pikin understand and the force. So this is not a case between President Julius Maada Bio and Alfred Palo Conte, nor is it a case between the Sierra People's Party and Alfred Palo Conte. Sometimes we they understand within the go on. So go pump this 98 force. Let you understand that. Sierra Leone, as I always tell una, is a country of laws. And we law books then clear. Now the court, the prosecution, where na your lawyer, the attorney general, na in the lead, present sufficient evidence, 13 witnesses. A huge number of them, now people that we been there, where Alfred Palo Conte enter State House. He go up, he go sit down, now the state chief of protocol in office. Them pull and they hand them over to CID them. Then CID people them, not they work for SLPP. Then they work for the people of Sierra Leone, as prescribed for by your laws. The CID people them will take 5 different statements from Alfred Palo Conte from how this case begin. Then self go to the court before the judge and the jury, then go give evidence. Alfred Palo Conte in lawyer them, headed by Dr. Abdoulaye Conte, then cross-examine them. All my hearing one. This na public hearing. This na open court. Fellow Cylonians, according to the witness them, according to the Boku documentary evidence them, where they before the judge and the jury right now, Alfred Palo Conte, on the 19th day of March 2020, on the invitation of President Julius Maada Bio, entered State House with a loaded gun for go meet President Bio because they had a meeting that was scheduled. Alfred Palo Conte himself, not his agents or any other person acting for and on behalf of him, told the court that he entered State House with a loaded gun. The witness them, collaborated by Alfred Palo Conte himself, tell the judge and the jury say, where he enters State House, he bypass the security protocol them, where na the scanner and the metal detector. The witness there will be there, not to one, not to two, about 6 or 7 of them. They say when he bypass something where he self admit in 5 statements and where he take the witness box, they go up. Now they intercept him, then tell her come back. Then force him, he come back. That 10 day he can tell them, say he get a gun. Then call, then boss them. The boss then come, then see the gun. They ask him, he identify the gun, say yes, now he get him. Then take and they hand him over to policeman them. Now the investigation begin. And that is what our law says. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, among the 13 witnesses them, we don't talk now that court day, we don't produce evidence sufficient one. Now people the way they work, now a statutory body, we responsible for handle gun business. Then call them the Small Arms Commission. That commission they not to President Bio Picam. Now una the people of Sierra Leone, that commission they, according to Alfred Palo Conte, don't they in existence for 12 years before President Bio Picam. Them people the way they work now that commission they then can at the court, then can get evidence say the method by which Alfred Palo Conte gets in license, where in claim say na India the right for older gun not being correct. Somebody as high as the commissioner that commission day, where also na the registrar talk say the way where retired Lieutenant Colonel Sina do their license they not correct. Then pull evidence for that. They explain the entire procedure where person for use for register and license a gun. Alfred Palo Conte himself, where he take the witness stand as of your right. And let me also point out this: nobody no force him. If he not be one take the stand, he not be taken. But now him volunteer say him they go take the stand. In self agree with the prosecution say the method by which he get a license they not been correct. But he say a mistake he make. How you go able make mistake 4 times in the licensing of a gun? Where they license a gun? I go make 4 different mistakes there. Alfred Palo Conte himself, not his agent, not any person acting for and on behalf of him, told the court and who side the jury then they hear and say their statements they were he make to the police, 5 of them were statements he read after he don't make them done, and then he signed them for say yes, na me make them. And in their statement then they Boku thing then they way talk we not correct. The thing they mix up, the dates they all mix up, the fact they all mix up. And according to him, he say na mistake he make. And he only realized that mistake they when they reach na court. Right before the jury them. Now the prosecution, they erode Alfred Palo Conte in credibility. Then prove all the things the way we don't lie pampa. This one grand case. But all the things and they will happen in open court. Journalists, they all be dead. Alfred Palo Conte in fumble, they all be dead. All the accused them fumble them be dead. Now in the defense team, headed by Dr. Abdoulaye Conte say, them believe say, in their own opinion, the man not get no case for answer. Now that then they call a no case submission, which is obvious. Now so any defense lawyer go say, at the end of the day, the judge, when a master sabi person, the judge where they work for una the people of Sierra Leone, the judge where don't then at the bench before President Bio de Kansef say no, based on waiting me do yeri. Based on waiting, me don't see the evidence that we don't see. This man get case for answer, and he begin answer for the case. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, after all this way don't happen, and me tell God thank you at the day at the court. Now, Alfred Palo Conte in Gal Pikin say the people of Sierra Leone, where now them Alfred Palo Conte commit this crime against. don't go bribe the jury. According to I say that give them first offer of $10,000 each. Then the jury they say that money they small, they want $20,000. That one then an insult to una the people of Sierra Leone. Una we pick then 12 men and women of the world. 12 men and women will get respect and dignity for themselves. Na fitiai. Na Alfred Palo Conte in Pekin don't fitiai una also. And it's a shame. That's shameful thing. I believe say where he go hear this audio, where are they respond to him, he go shame by himself. Because that talk they not only misleading, it also disrespects the one whole country and the country in loves them. But me not go surprise. I believe say una we know the fact that Alfred Palo Conte, the APC, where they support and be a member of, where ready for do anything for. Now people are way lawless. They not believe in the laws of this country at all. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, Alfred Palo Conte himself, not his agent, not any other person acting for and on behalf of him, talk na the court right there say him been don't get vexation and heart for President Julius Maada Bio from April of 1992, where President Julius Maada Bio na been part of the NPRC, we can pull a uncle as president, then pull him na the army. He said that all my young bagawa. At the end of the day, now he catch up. He say, but him we don't forgive them. But he not tell you who's time forgive them all. He just say no more, becoming a Christian, I don't forgive them. Something away then at the court now he choose for forgive them. But una we get sense now una head. Una think then can talk in the bar. For let person talk say, me heart no sweet, I not happy, I vex pan this particular person because of waiting, me sure say he don't do me. And that person the way call me for go meet with him, me take gun, I go there. Another thing will come out at the court clearly. Now that treason, I believe say don't tell what they read this talk here. Now a crime where somebody go commit against this country. And one of the things that we go do, we go make them charge you with treason. Now for let you can go around the president, any side where the president day, you can go something we go put the president in life in danger. That law they then call them the Treason and State Offences Act of 1963. And let me also tell you this, and I so I go find them interesting. Now that same law day, Dr. Abdoulaye Conte, where now they defend Palo Conte, be used where he charge GMT Kaikai, Francis Mina and others with treason. And that time they when me don't get sense, good one I made, I be the den at the court. The only evidence where Abdoulaye Conte and the government of Sierra Leone that time they been cargo now a box of ammunition where they say they go find na Kaikai in Osna Waterloo Street. That's all they had. But now una the people of Sierra Leone, the evidence una cargo day where Alfred Palo Conte himself accept say yes na that correct evidence done they na a loaded gun where Alfred Palo Conte cargo na State House for go meet una young president who una elect according to the laws of Sierra Leone. But all that one day, Alfred Palo Conte in Pekin think say in Papa innocent and they were all for political reasons. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, Alfred Palo Conte not a political detainee, not a political prisoner, not a political accused person. He not did it because in a APC. Una not forget say, Anes by Kouma don't go to State House for go meet President Bio. 30 days, nobody know charge her with treason. You know why? Because where he go there, he no care gun go there. Minkailu Mansare, when are the number 2 person at APC, don't go meet President Julius Maada Bio na State House 2 times. He no care gun go there. Therefore, nobody not charge her with treason. Then therefore clearly show you say this particular government not the target people just because of their political affiliation. That one day, na a stretch of the imagination. And anybody who gets sense na it, not for even listen to them nonsense then they. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, Alfred Palo Conte, a call witness, one gay witness, CD Yaya Tunis, where he say they all been there. Now the chief, the state chief of protocol in office, they wait for President Bio. Where Yaya Tunis take the stand, he talk complain. He say, where me and two other people, one of them now a senior military man, come inside State House, we pass through the scanner and the metal detector. We go there because since maybe don't be minister and escoma in government, I know say na the correct thing that they for do. He say, and while we did it, now the man we responsible for security in a State House, Colonel Boshoa, bring a brown bag with a loaded gun. And he show Palo Conte, and Palo Conte answer say yes. Na me get this gun. Na me bring and can inside. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, I believe say una na people them we get sense na una head. Una na people them where they follow this case. Una na people them we understand the facts of this case. And anybody will not get chance for going to the court. If you want, he can go there, he asks for them documents here. As I speak, they are public documents. Then baga one. Let yourself go follow and see what really happened there. Alfred Palo Conte and Gal Pikin say, where in Papa na be Minister of Defense, in Papa na be the number 3 person in a salon. That's a lie. Sometimes I know you don't know. According to we Constitution, Act number 6 of 1991, the number 3 person at this country, according to we hierarchy, according to structure, now the Speaker of Parliament. And in Papa no one day be Speaker of Parliament. I also want to let Alfred Palo Conte in Pekin no say, all ministers are equal in rank and in status. So me not understand what in the talk. Sometimes, because in not they talk the correct thing, now confused no more confused. So let's go find out the correct thing first. And then let it be bold and courageous enough for can talk the correct thing. Instead of it falsely accuse the judge and the jury there. The judge, not the legislate from the bench. Now interpret the laws. Now that one they then train her for. And again, I repeat, this particular judge, not to President Bio can put on the bench, he meet him na High Court. And when you then at High Court, you don't need it for a certain number of years as prescribed for by law. The country, not to President Bio, they promote you. Then they give you elevation, then they can you go up. By virtue of that fact, they get this country. Now, through the parliament, who are the members of parliament, then now then go approve and now then go finally confirm a appointment as a judge of the appeals court. So for me, Palo Conte and Gal Pikin, they can't fitiai that judge there. Not to the judge, it is fitiai no more. It is fitiai una the people of Sierra Leone. It is fitiai una own parliament. So, una not for grip for that. Una not for even listen to that. Because that one day, na boto bata will not make no damn sense. And it will only talk because in Alfred Palo Conte in Pekin. Alfred Palo Conte, the man who team up na the witness box on oath and agree say a lie. He agree say a falsified document. And one of the so many things the way he agree say a lie pan. Now way he tell the police them 5 times. Say that particular gun the way he go na State House. The clock 17. Now in nephew. Now him bring and come for him from the United States of America. After that, I change say now in Padigiam. Then he say, oh, now mistake. How you go mistake that kind of mistake there many times. If person mistake one time, you go understand them. But if they mistake 3-4 times, who's kind mistake that day? That becomes a pattern. And that one day erode your credibility. The jury they be there, they hear. That make it was good where Palo Conte in self take the witness stand by He on free will. They not tie up my neck. Then cross-examine him. After that, they re-examine him back. He make the same statement. When the defense team, they address the court, then talk and they say evidence kaya, but we not think say that evidence they sufficient. Again, not to then they determine that. The judge go give the jury directions. He go tell them what in the law say based on the evidence we then don't see. And as I say, 13 people, all of them people and the evidence they then give, it correspond, they collaborate, and they make a lot of sense. They see and jaran one. Alepo si he blend or he skok. He go see him, he go yeri because they clear. The defense na two grand witnesses and then came. One na Alfred Palo Conte himself, and the other one na the person who been there Usai. Alfred Palo Conte go identify the gun, the loaded gun. The man Yaya Tunisi Vitoka say right before Yaya, nine them pull the magazine from the gun. One of the witnesses there were the prosecution can go. Now Master Sabi person pan gun business. He said that gun was loaded and ready to go. Not to me say, oh, now the witness say, and he see him before the jury them. For all that, Alfred Palo Conte in people and they say evidence no they. Well, not to them they determine what's in the evidence. Now the court. And in this case, the court comprised of the judge where they tell the jury them waiting the law say, and then the jury them where they self yeri they see. Nobody no go put word na the yes. And finally, I want to Palo Conte in Pekin and entire family no say one massive distinction between the APC and the SLPP. Now the fact that the SLPP they follow the law. The SLPP no need for bribe person. The SLPP no mix pan this case at all. This not a case where SLPP and depan or in foot depan. This is a case where the people of Sierra Leone can go na yon court before people the way they pay out of yon money. So please, not allow me Alfred Palo Conte in Gyal Pikin can mislead for make can destroy yon legal system. This has nothing to do with the SLPP. And this not a case between President Bio and Alfred Palo Conte. Until the next time I go come back to this is Alpha Saidu Bangwa de say tata.